So yun na mga ka-sports, USA versus main team ng Gilas Pilipinas Women. Sa unang minuto mga ka-sports, no, hype na hype talaga ang ating national team sa passing, shooting at sa layup. Kaso nung umabot ang 4-minute quarter, no, doon na talaga uminit mismo ang Team USA. Halika tingnan natin mga ka-sports ang ilang highlights ng kanilang laro.
From the Mall of Asia in Manila, Michaela on the move, bumps, so physical. Joyce Edwards cleans up the mess. She will put it up. No call on the play. Claren on the move, steps back. It's been impeccable. Kasho, and then they hold up on defense off the mark. No one there to contest Joyce Edwards. Gets her own rebound, spins into Williams underneath the basket. Kasho takes over. Quick hands by Mika. Fade to Kasho to connect. USA. Michaela using that physical. Better with some words there. USA come in here out of the qualifying draw, so this is game number 4 for them. Long day of 3-3 action. You wonder how that will affect them. Claren, Philippines can do. Claren will attempt another 2-piece. And 2 games, almost 3 minutes in. End off action. Claren looking to shake. Edwards on the move. Pocket pass into Kosh. Pick and roll game has worked for them. Claren and Ferrer this time around will try one. No pass there. Fade. Poked away. Wally takes over. And cruises in. The layup missed. Now Claren comes away with it. Kicks it. Fade on the drive. No one home. He'll get a look. Ferrer attempts a 2 is fouled and will get beamed up by 1 over the United States of America. Edwards is wide open. No one there to contest. Edwards here. Kicks it to Ferrer under the basket. USA go back down to the hurt box by Bade is snuffed out. There's Kasho and the Philippines keep. USA is trying to go through Edwards' time, and Joyce Edwards will go. Philippines have grabbed some momentum. USA can now snatch it back. Actually, never mind. We're tied. USA have not gotten much out of Michaela, this being score. Block, and she will go up and work on her offensive rebound stats. No, in this case, it's Michaela, and she'll end it.
So ayun na mga ka-sports, napagandang matchup between USA at main team natin sa Gilas Women. No? Sa dito sa isa lang po ang pwedeng manalo. Grabe ang Team USA mga ka-sports. Tuloy-tuloy ang kanilang panalo from Warsaw to Manila to Team Philippines. Ikaw mga ka-sports, anong masasabi mo sa matchup na ito? Comment your thoughts below at babasahin ko yan. Like, share, subscribe at pahit ng bell para updated tayo pareho sa mga ganitong uploads. Laban Pilipinas, puso, so paano? Ingat po kayo. Mga ka-sports, kung hilig ninyong bumili ng mga Gilas jersey, Gilas accessories at mga gamit na pang basketball habang nanonood po kayo sa aking mga videos, kindly check this basket on this lower part ng ating video at magpa-pop up yung ating mga items sa gilid. Mga legit po yung mga items dyan, and see to it po na makabili po kayo ahead of time kasi meron po yung mga discounts and mga promos depende po sa seller. And also, kunting suporta din as a content creator po. Salamat!